Say hi. Oh my gosh. You smell like Fefe. What's your name?
Callie.
Callie? But what do I call you? Fefe? You not gonna talk? Oh. Yeah, we're gonna slide you on down. You coughed in my face and you smell like hot. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Ellarie here. It's been a while, eh? I feel like I haven't done a makeup video in forever. Even though I was gonna do an update and let you guys know what's been going on, I just decided to just give some makeup. I owe you guys some makeup for the holidays, okay? Because it's holiday season, people are going to holiday parties, all that good stuff. So I wanted to do a holiday inspired tutorial. I did partner with YSL Beauty for this video. Shout out to the YSL Beauty crew. I will be using a few of their products in this video. And we're just gonna get right into it. Let's go. I already did my brows, you know. It's been a while, so I had to do those first because I kept messing up. I'm rusty. Now I can prime my face though with, you guys know, one of my all-time favorite face primers, the YSL Touche Eclat Bleu primer. I'm gonna show you like a really nice bottle that's new, fresh, hasn't been used. You guys should be really familiar with this primer. I've been using it since I'm sure YSL even knew who I was. It was like one of my first splurge purchases, like back in the Dizzy, when I just really wanted to try it because it just looks so pretty. I mean, there's gold in it. Who doesn't want something with gold in it? I mean, just saying. They also have little mini versions. So if you're looking for little stocking stuffers, there are mini versions of the primer. I actually found this out this year when I got it in a gift bag, and I was like, this is too cute. Because the primer that I've been using, this one right here, the one that's like almost empty, I've had this for a while. So I only use one pump to prime my whole face, and it's travel size because you don't need much of it. I mean, unless you just wear it like every single day. I don't wear makeup every single day, so I know it's hard to believe, but I don't. I'm basic most of the time. So great stocking stuffer idea. You can also refill these too. Like if you're traveling and you run out of it, you just take the wand out and you can pump it up into your little jar. You guys know you can wear this without any makeup, just on your days where you just want your face to look not so oily, just kind of like really soft with a nice gentle glow, because the specks of gold in it aren't like other products where you can actually see like big chunky gold flakes. It's more of a like a melted gold. Like when you hit that light, you know, you're gonna give off the glow. You're not really gonna see gold specks. It's hard to explain, but I love how fine the gold is in here because it just gives you the most natural glow without it looking like there's glitter all over your face. My foundation today is the YSL All Hours. I wear the shade B75 Hazelnut in the wintertime, you know, when I'm a little light skinned. I'm very picky with my foundations. So if I wear a foundation like multiple times, that means like we cool. Like they part of the family. If I wear it once, then y'all never see it again, we probably just didn't work out. Doesn't mean it's bad, it's just we weren't compatible with each other. But my requirements for a good foundation are, if I could put it on and not have to set it like with powder, that is a great start. Like, because some foundations crease just like concealer, where you put it on and unless you like go over it with powder, it will like crease under your eyes and by your nose and stuff like that. I don't like that. If you could hold your own without any powder, you're a great foundation. I also like when it doesn't feel super heavy. I don't want to feel like I'm wearing 10 pounds of makeup even if I am, okay? And I also want my foundation to stay how it is when I put it on in the morning. Like I don't want it to reach nighttime and you turn into a completely different person. Why would you do that to me? So this foundation meets my requirements of compatibility. Close up if you don't believe me. You see this? Skin looks super natural. No creasing under the eyes. I just love it on my face. I'm super picky with my concealer as well. I know sometimes I'm repetitive on my channel because I use a lot of the same products, but my loyalty is unmatched, okay? If I really like something, I will use it all the time. I'm not just gonna switch up products because you guys are tired of seeing them, because they work. What do you want me to do? This is the All Hours concealer. I have similar requirements for my concealer. Must not crease. Color must be on point. Must not be heavy. I mean, do I ask for much? No, but you will be surprised how many concealers don't meet that requirement for me. And it's weird too, because I know some people who wear certain concealers that they swear by and just do not work for me. So I don't want you guys to think what I'm saying is Bible, but when you guys ask me for recommendations, like, I'm gonna tell you what works for me. So I used to wear super light concealer, but I've changed my life. I think these past few years I've been going with the more like one shade lighter concealer, because I just feel like it makes you overall look so much more natural, you know. The older I get, the more natural I want to look, you know? Even though I've worn these foundations, concealers, primers already a million times on my channel, I'm going to tell you the first thing I do when I do wear a new foundation. After I put it on, I look in the mirror and stretch my face down. And if I already start to see like lines into the creases, I can't do you anymore. Can't do you. I don't know what you guys are doing for the holidays. Let me know in the comments, by the way. This year, my family's been acting a little fancy, like with all these parties. So we just had Thanksgiving at my sister's. We have a tradition every year where we play flag football. My team always wins because I just, you know, I'm a winner. That's what I do. Whatever team I'm on is gonna win. And I think they're catching on to that now. Even though I was like 5th picked to be on the team this year, I think that's gonna change around. I think next year, I'm either gonna be first draft or I'm gonna be the captain, because they clearly saw my skills this year. Anyways, so yeah, we had a great Thanksgiving holiday party. And then this weekend, well, I don't know when this video is going up, but my mom is doing an ugly sweater party, which, you know, I'm gonna come with a cute sweater because that's just what I do. I don't do ugly. And then I was designated to throw like a Christmas party, which I'm not really sure what that means, but I just threw a party recently, a neon party, and it was like a lot of work. So I told them that I wasn't really about that throwing a party life, and that if they just brought everything, I like to be an attendee. I do not like to host. But if you guys have any cute party themes in general, we love a good themed party. Let me know in the comments. All right, my face is pretty much prepped. I don't know what I'm doing for my eyes yet, which is why I'm gonna do one off camera. I'm thinking the theme for my eyes is gonna be like something like cozy, if that's even like the look. So be right back. Okay, here's my guest interpretation of cozy. The first color I used was this soft matte shade right here called Karma. Then I went to Hot Mess, which is more like a beautiful mess to me. I really love this color. For the base of my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this YSL Full Metal Shadow. This is the shade 11. And I really like theirs because there's some shadows where, you know, you like paint them on, like metal shadows or metallicized shadows or liquid shadows, where you put them on and they're streaky and you kind of got to layer them and like put something on top, like you have to put something on top. This one you can wear without putting something on top because it glides on evenly, and a lot of liquid shadows struggle with that. So, and I went on top of that base with Frazzled, and you almost can't even tell the shadow is over it because the colors look so similar, but it does give it a little more pizzazz because it has a little shimmer to it. Then I'm gonna go back into Hot Mess, and I'm just gonna flare off the end of that shadow, and I'm gonna meet the bottom of the eye with the same color, just with a smudger brush. Smudge this all along the lash line. You know I'm nothing without my black liner on my waterline. I'm just nothing without it. But today, since I am feeling a little fancy, I'm gonna use brown liner for my wing liner. It's actually kind of more chocolate, so it's close to black, but it's not black. And last but not least are my lashes. Another requirement of mine, because if you follow me on Instagram, my Instagram stories, you know, a couple months ago, I had a freak accident with some lash extensions. Someone did my lashes and used like, I think, too much glue or just put them too close together. I don't know what it was, but that was like the first incident I've ever had where all my lashes fell out. I was traumatized. I was bald-eyed it for like weeks on end. I never thought I was gonna have lashes again, but they're finally starting to grow back and I'm so excited about it. Not all the way, not enough to where we can just go natural, okay? But I'm seeing some results. In the meantime, I'm stripping again. Not stripping, but you know, lash stripping. And finally, some mascara. This is the YSL Volume Effect Faux Cils, the curler. You can't forget about our highlighter. No, I've been going a little lighter on the highlighter lately. Just a little. Look at me over here lying. Gonna line my lips first with Alamar's Coqueta? I'll put it in the description. And this YSL Rouge Pour Couture lip color is 123. And here's my holiday inspo look, guys. Like for me, this is like a really natural look for me. As far as like the color is concerned, but there's still color. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Drop me some comments for some holiday themes. Don't forget about that, or what else you want to see on my channel, of course. Thank you, YSL Beauty, for sponsoring this tutorial, and happy holidays, y'all. Until next time, love ya. Mwah.